Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about why your GE dryer won't start. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. The following are some of the reasons why your GE dryer won't start. Number 1, a faulty timer. Number 2, the control lock is activated. Or number 3, a faulty thermal fuse. Here's how to fix the issues. Replace the timer. First, power off your dryer, then disassemble the control and locate the timer. Carefully remove all the wires attached to the timer. Take out the timer and examine it to check for any signs of damage. Also, confirm it is working using a multimeter. If it has any signs of damage or lacks continuity, replace it. If this doesn't work, deactivate the control lock. If the control lock is activated, it'll hinder your dryer from starting. To fix this, press the control lock button for 3 seconds until the control lock icon flashes. If this doesn't work, inspect the thermal fuse. Power off your dryer and locate the thermal fuse at the back panel. Then remove the wires attached to the thermal fuse terminals. After that, remove the fuse and test its terminals using a multimeter. Replace the thermal fuse if there is no continuity. Lastly, ensure that the vent is clean. A dirty vent will result in overheating. And there you have it. Follow these steps to fix a GE dryer that won't start. Thanks for watching. Till next time.